I was first introduced to the Dr. Schutz floor coating when I was the Vice President of Facilities and Construction at St. Luke's Health System in Kansas City. I had responsibility for over 11 hospitals, and we were in the middle of a construction project for a new women's center. I was concerned with the butt joint of the wood look vinyl plank flooring and the risk of infection that could happen due to organic materials getting into the butt jointed seams of the flooring. Once the flooring was laid, there was a sheen level difference between some of the wood look planks. The manufacturer came in and said one of the solutions he was proposing in lieu of tearing out the entire floor was to provide a coating that he felt could solve all of our problems. Dr. Schutz provided the solution that fixed all of our issues. It fixed the sheen issues. We had a consistent sheen across the entire floor. The product actually provided that homogeneous surface so that we didn't have any cracks or gaps in the flooring that could harbor any infectious agents. So we had a win-win situation with Dr. Schutz in providing the finish that we were expecting, the low cost of maintenance, the opportunity to not buff the floors, and the environmental aspects around not having to strip and wax, which puts a lot of harmful chemicals into our waste stream, and we were reducing water usage in the facility. When we were nearing completion of the Heart Hospital project, my project manager brought another product to me that she felt was an equivalent to the Dr. Schutz coating. We realized very quickly after installing it that it was an inferior product. It not only provided a glare on the floor that made the wood look very plastic, but it had orange peeled to the point where the staff said we had to remove it immediately. The professionalism of the Dr. Schutz installers was exceptional. They worked hand in hand with the staff to determine what rooms they could have access to, and if they had to work late nights, overnight, early mornings, they didn't skip a beat in making sure that they were meeting the needs of the hospital and working around the hospital operations. After the installation of the Dr. Schutz coating, the environmental services staff noticed a significant improvement in the look of the floor, the ease of maintenance, and how they could easily work around the patients and not have to bring buffers through, which create noise and distraction to the patients. Due to our success with the Dr. Schutz product, we continued to utilize it in other areas in addition to the wood look vinyl plank flooring. We utilized it on sheet goods, tile and grout, terrazzo, and used a no-slip coating in the cafeteria area and the beverage area where we had had many slips and falls. The Dr. Schutz coating carried a 3-year warranty. However, we saw most areas extending way beyond the 3-year warranty before an additional coat was needed to be applied. By increasing the life of the floor, we were able to reduce the quantity of floors that we were replacing in the hospital. This helped reduce our budget and our capital costs associated with flooring.